here's the rear rebuilt Fox Podium X shocks that are going on the 2006 Polaris Outlaw build that I'm working on. Had the shocks springs powder coated, had the shocks rebuilt and revalved for my whopping 130-pound ass. And yeah, so we should be good to go. Get these things on there. They should be good to go for the season. All new seals, oil, pistons have been redone. It's fully charged, ready to roll. Should be good to go for the season. We got the podiums for the front, which were actually an OEM shock, which is surprising because, you know, a lot of the things I've seen in this quad are not really, how should I put this in a nice way? They're not really like engineering marvels by any means. It's pretty basic, pretty sloppy welding, you know. Well, it's pretty late here. Made some progress here. I'm just gonna basically put together the one side and then put everything together. Just kind of got this put in place here. See what kind of trouble we can get ourselves into. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and please subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. I'm putting together this Polaris Outlaw.